Good morning, students. Yesterday I had explained you multiple reflection. That means reflected light can be reflected again. Now today I will discuss about the application of multiple reflection. Application means uses of multiple reflection. First example is kaleidoscope. A kaleidoscope is an optical device which is used to create colorful and beautiful patterns formed due to multiple reflection by combination of plane mirrors. Here we can use three plane mirrors at an angle of 45 degree and some loose colored beads or pebbles and bits of glass. And when you view a kaleidoscope from one end, the light entering from the other end creates a colorful pattern because of multiple reflection of the colored objects. And when you rotate the tube, it can tumble and form beautiful colored patterns. So this is just for fun. It is having no use. It is just an example of multiple reflection where we can see the use of multiple reflection. Activity to make your own kaleidoscope. Here materials required are a circular tube of cardboard, three rectangular plane mirrors, small bits of colored glasses, or you can take the small thermocol balls or the pieces of bangles, a cellophane sheet and a cardboard disc. Procedure, that means how you will make it. Fix three mirrors so as to form a prism. That means in triangular form, three plain glasses you can paste it at an angle of 45 degree so that it can make a triangular piece just like a prism. Then cover one end of the circular cardboard tube with a cardboard disc, but keep a small hole to see through. Small hole must be there so that you can see through it. And then fix this plain glass plate at the other end and place small bits of colored glasses on the glass plate and close it. Now your kaleidoscope is ready and it will make a colorful pattern. Rotate the tube and see the different patterns. So if you want to make it, you can make. And conclusion drawn here is a pattern is never repeated in a kaleidoscope. One more example or application of kaleidoscope is multiple reflection is there, that is periscope. In periscope, two plane mirrors are used at an angle of 60 degree and it is used to see the height objects which is at the height, and if the person is at the lower area then it can be used to see the objects. Generally it is used by submarines so that they can see the objects just above the water because the submarines move inside the water. I will show you in your book, it is not given. I will give you one example or one I will show you it in another video. Next is dispersion of light. Dispersion means it is the splitting of white light into 7 colors. The sunlight is white in color and it splits into in its 7 colors, which is known as dispersion of light. Splitting means to break. It get divided, it get spread into its 7 color. So when the sun appears to be red at the dawn, dawn and dusk, early morning, and dusk means evening time. In the noon, it gives the golden white shimmer. So also we see a colorful rainbow when the sun shines after the rainfall. It is the example, the rainbow is the example of dispersion of light. The sun always surprises us with its display of colors. So, what is the color of the sun actually? It is white in color. To demonstrate dispersion of white light with a plane mirror, you must take a white sheet, a bowl filled with water, and a plane mirror. Place a bowl filled with water near a window. Now place the plane mirror in the bowl such that the sunlight from the window falls on it. Now adjust the bowl such that the light reflected from the plane mirror falls on the wall. What do you observe? And this activity you always do, I think, with your watch or any shining object by removing it or by rotating it in the presence of sunlight. When you rotate it, it can form the colors band of 7 colors on the wall. And conclusion is that sunlight consists of 7 colors, which is known as Vibgyor: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. So from the above, we conclude that a beam of sunlight splits into 7 colors and getting reflected from a plane mirror. And this is known as, the splitting of this white light is known as dispersion of light. And it can form band of 7 colors on the screen, on the wall, and this is known as spectrum. The band of 7 color which is formed on the screen, on the wall, on the sky is known as spectrum. So dispersion is the process of splitting of light, and after dispersion the band of 7 colors forms on the screen is known as spectrum.